Good morning. It's yours truly from Black Ops Security Services. We're here at one of our municipal contracts. We didn't do the installation. We got the contract to maintain and supervise the existing cameras from another installer. Gentlemen, pay attention. Much like a woman, you don't pay her any attention, she's going to go elsewhere for it. Hence, here we are. Now, what we're doing here, we got called for a camera out, and as you can see, they installed the wire, exterior wire, without any protection. Well, that's not boss approved. We're going to be putting it in conduit, running all new wire, hooking up to their cameras, and they'll have live video feed again. The boss way. So, don't be a statistic, be a boss.